Abaremi korwa Siaya County ya Siaya nigo banyorire amaigerio iguru y'oburemi anenase obotugi bw'echingoko wetania abaremi chiribwinye nigo bebwatiranire n'obotugi bw'echingoko ase byombe ao kubwatirana ne serikali byabeire bikwerwa na korwa amaorokereria ibosa ase baburirie abantu abange wesoke na kwebwatirania ase amang'ana ao y'oburemi erio gokinia sector y'oburemi na kobakonya barabo kwegendereria ase amagima abo.
Today in Siaya we are working with about 4,500 value chain actors across the county, and that means that every household today embraces this value chain because it is very easy in terms of its availability, and the different breeds that are there has made it to be embraced more.
Kuku inalipa, kuku inaelimisha, kuku inafanya iko na opportunity nyingi sana, na tumeshikana na serikali kufanya kazi na wao kuwaelimisha wakulima kwa zile mbinu bora wakilea hizo kuku zao, but pia kuwapatia ile fursa ya kuwa na ile connection to the market.
Kuna wakati mwingi watu huwa wanadharau kuku wakiangalia. You know, when we look at kuku, let us look all around for the kuku. We have the indigenous that we have, yeah? And many a times you ask somebody, do you have a chicken? They tell you, I don't have.